In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a template link in CapCut. Sharing your creative work has never been easier, and with CapCut, you can quickly share your video templates with friends, collaborators, or even your audience. Whether you're looking to showcase your editing skills or simply make it more convenient for others to use your template, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. If you're new to CapCut, it's a powerful and user-friendly video editing app that's ideal for creating all kinds of content. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start exploring its features. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. This is the starting point because it's where all your projects and templates are saved. If you've been using CapCut for a while, you'll know this is where the magic happens. Once the app is launched, log into the account where your specific template is stored. This is important because templates are saved under individual accounts, so you'll need to ensure you're in the right one. Now, if the app takes a moment to load, don't worry. Just give it a little time to fully open before moving on. Next, navigate to the Recent Projects section. This is where you'll find all your latest work, including the templates you've been working on. It's a handy way to quickly locate your most recent videos without having to dig through folders or search manually. Scroll through the list of projects until you find the template you'd like to share. Now, if you don't see it right away, double-check that it's been saved or exported properly, as unsaved templates may not appear here. Once you've located the template, tap on the three dots icon next to it. This is sometimes called the vertical ellipsis, and it's your gateway to more options for that specific project. A menu will appear, and from there, select the Share option. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using or the device you're on, this option might be worded slightly differently. For example, you might see something similar like Send or Export Link, but the functionality will be the same. Now, before finalizing the share, it's important to check the Who Can Open Link setting. This setting determines who will be able to access your template once you share it. Tap on the privacy setting and you'll see a few options. For this tutorial, select anyone with the link. This ensures that anyone you share the link with, whether it's through email, social media, or another platform, will be able to open and use your template without any restrictions. Choosing this option is particularly useful if you're sharing with people who may not have a CapCut account or if you're distributing the template widely. Once that's set, tap Copy to copy the generated link to your clipboard. This step is crucial because it allows you to paste the link wherever you need to share it. Whether you're sending it to a colleague, a friend, or uploading it to your social media, the link will now be ready to go. Finally, paste the link into your desired platform. This could be a direct message, an email, or even a post on social media. Before hitting send or publish, double-check that your template doesn't contain any private or sensitive content. It's always a good idea to review your work before sharing it publicly, just in case. And that's it. You've successfully copied and shared your CapCut template link for others to access. By following these steps, you can make it easier for collaborators or viewers to engage with your creative work. If you have any questions about CapCut or video editing, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.